are full already.
Oh, there's one right there.
I know, but it's going the wrong way.
Go now. No. Betty loves cats. All right, guys. So we're having a hard time finding one. What are they called, babe?
I am not sure.
They're like these little pickup things with a little trailer, and like people just hang on in the back, and they're super cheap. We're trying to get to Aonang or Aonang. So anyways, we're just gonna take a break from that, and we're gonna get some iced coffee. So we found transportation to Aonang. We'll be there in about 30 minutes.
Aside from my soul,
paid 2,200 baht for the 4-island tour here in Aonang. We're about to get on one of these long-tail boats, so we'll let you guys know what happens. So we just discovered that this boat's gonna sink maybe.
aside from my soul.
Just landed at National Park. So this is the national park right here, and then Chicken Island is across that way, and we're gonna make our way that way right now. Low tide right now. In about 40 minutes it's gonna be high tide. We'll not be able to cross, so we gotta do this ASAP. It's pretty sick though. So we're on our way to Chicken Island right now.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Right now it's 10 o'clock and we were just here maybe like, we've been here for like maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and now it's packed. So we're thinking that you should probably come before like 9 o'clock, and the tide's low, so then it's easier to walk across the walkway to Chicken Island. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the next island and we'll see what's up. So our boat just came to this complete stop, like unexpectedly, and hope we're not broken down. I think we're switching boats.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are getting towed to the next island, we're assuming.
This would happen.
Whatever. So the guy that was towing us just unhooked and he's gone. That is him over there.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
We're here in Krabi Town right now, and there's a night market going on. People from all over the world are here just checking out this different food and different items to buy. Yeah, a lot of people here. A little crowded, but fun. Yeah, those dresses. We got Bruno Mars at the market tonight. Oh, Thai pancake with Nutella. Mom diggity.
Don't record me eating.